Alright guys, we're back and we're doing another where we left off. Me and FaZe flew here, grew a little bit and got some meal. Just a summary. There's
Yes, sir.
there's some Moses in the water that just killed something.
Yeah, they killed a lure. That lure is dead.
Rip. Uh, I have run to 777.
Okay,
Alright.
well, tell me you're 8, by the way.
Yes. Uh, we got this. I know this is
Don't eat that. Do not eat that. Yeah, don't eat
this
that.
is good.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go grab some more food.
I'm gonna eat it. Is this bad? Yeah, this car is going good. It's like the cherry music. Alright, so let's go for food. Let's go all the way over there. And let's try stealing some food. Let's try Oh, geez, like,
It is very laggy right now.
yes. It was not really that lucky for me. No? There's a pot of family. Should I steal one of those babies? Just take one.
Where?
Let's see if any
No,
of them are
no, no.
later. No.
That Meg still here?
I don't know. Is it?
There's a freaking lure here.
Lure?
Yeah. Carcass.
So we're gonna be doing this trying to grow this. I actually died off camera. But then I managed to revive it. So I'm perfectly fine.
Lure here.
Did die off.
Ah, crap. Okay, well, come on, get some a piece of this carcass. There's down there by that other bird. It can't kill you. It's too small, anyways. And if it does, I'm gonna body it.
Kill me.
Yeah, ain't gonna kill you. Can't. It's too small.
I'm too small.
No, it's too small.
I don't see anything by his carcass.
But
Try
it's just
grabbing the
there.
carcass.
You grabbed the whole thing?
No, try grabbing it. You.
I already tried. I got a piece.
Look at these.
Yeah, I couldn't tote it all. It's too big. Oh my god!
I literally just did a tree, but then I saved myself. I got a
Fire.
big chunk of meat.
There's smoke
Where?
over here. There's probably a fire. There is a fire.
Yeah, there is wildfire. Honestly, I'll check it out.
Yeah, the smoke. You see it?
No, I do not see it really. There,
I'm gonna see where this fire
well, but
is.
you are well fun now. You're gonna gain some weight. I don't want to gain weight. I'm gonna gain weight.
Pretty sure I see where it burnt through at. If that's the trail.
Wait, where's swiftness? Man, I'm just sneaky. Swiftness. Where's smoke?
Huh?
Where's smoke?
What?
Where's the smoke?
Oh, it's up there.
Can you
Just
leave?
you should see it. What do you mean leave?
Leave. Lead me to the smoke. I don't see it.
What the fuck is this small bird doing?
Lead me to the smoke. I want to see it.
I don't know where it is.
Try. Let me try.
There's a tiny bird here. You can kill it if you want to. If you bite me, I swear.
What are you telling me if you bite me? Oh,
This bird is doing something.
is it tiny? Yep, seems tiny.
Okay, the bird is sniffing my bum.
Oh, it's adorable.
Look, it's trying to sniff my bum.
Hi.
It's sniffing my. What is it doing?
It's hiding.
No, it's not.
He just
Oh,
stole a piece.
oh he's dead. He's go. He's dead. He's dead. Oh God, he's at the bottom of the Moses.
Yeah, I
Uh,
just saw him. He flew. Is he dead? He might die.
I hope he don't. I hope he's not. Oh, but did I even do much damage?
You didn't do any damage at all. Now that did damage.
That did damage.
Yeah.
Are you ate yet?
Well, I'm full.
Huh?
I'm full.
No, I'm asking if you're 8% grown yet.
Oh, 8.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am.
Oh, you are? Okay. Let's see if this works.
Make some mess. Oh, I have babies. And that's not
Um,
wrong to talk about. Seems so wrong.
oh, you gotta come up here. You gotta come closer.
Something's wrong with my thing. Picture mode. Oh, yep. I was on screenshot mode.
And you gotta come all the way back over here.
Yeah, I was on screenshot mode, which means I could not move my camera.
You gotta hit P.
Yeah, I fixed it. Ah!
Okay. Bruh. Don't tell me you broke your leg.
No, I did not.
Okay, well, just hand back up here.
I sadly did not. I'm getting a lot of lead. Squidward. I'm coming, Squidward.
Please don't break your leg.
Oh my gosh. I can't. It's too much. It's too much
Or,
for me. Oh, no,
it's
no,
not that.
no, no,
It's not that hard. Just land. Just land. This. Oh God.
no.
Did you really break your leg?
uh, I'm at like 1% health. Like a quarter or something. Yeah, a quarter health.
You must move closer to me, bruh.
I
You
have
gotta come back up here.
I have 55.3 damage.
Bruh. I'm gonna need
Wow.
to grab water though.
I'm stuck.
I don't think that bird's coming back up. I don't know where it went.
Neighbor? I think he died by Musa.
Uh, well, I'm just waiting on you now.
He might have died by Musa.
It probably did.
Alright. Well, where's that bird? It
Okay,
completely
well,
probably died by Musa.
I'm gonna grab a little bit of water from right here. These are just pears you're drinking. Oh God,
Yeah, well, it probably died by Musa.
I'm
Let
scared.
me mute this one. Does this work? Oh no, it doesn't. Not really. So that.
Mosa! Ha! The Mosa's stuck! I made it jump out the water and get stuck on the land. Look what I did. Yeah, stupid Mosa. Ah, look how retarded it is. The Mosa tried to
Oh,
grab me, bruh. That's how you do
wow.
it. Dumb Mosa. Who you think you is, boy?
He thinks he's a retard.
You think he can get me? You better not go in that water. They can jump out and grab you.
Yeah, I know. He tried so hard.
He tried to get me and he went too far. Yeah. Idiot.
The parrots are talking. Or the herbivores over the waterfall are
Job.
talking. Nice job. Wow.
I said nice job, Melissa. Hey, yo, you need to come up here. Is your leg so break?
Yes. How do you switch
But
that?
it's tab.
Yeah. There's a thing over there near the water. What is that?
I'm just waiting for you to come up here.
Follow me, follow me. There's a thing right
That's
here.
a parrot. That is a parrot. You about to get.
Oh,
You know they can jump out of water, right?
yeah, and the other bug died.
you better not.
If I fail this landing. If I fail this, I might die.
If you die, I swear.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Now just stay
Me.
right there.
Me. Does not belong to your me.
Finally. Invite to mate. There. Hit yes. Oh no, this is so weird.
I don't like this.
I don't like that.
Let me sit. I want to sit on it.
Is there egg?
Carrying eggs. Yes, I'm carrying eggs.
Is it in there?
Are there eggs?
I think you gotta lay the egg.
It says I'm carrying eggs. Oh, carrying eggs! In my body?
How the frick are you carrying eggs?
That's what it says.
I don't know. What is this? Ah! I've never made it before in this game, so I don't know what I'm doing. You get to sit on the nest.
This needs medical help.
You gotta stay here with the nest. You can't leave. So, what does it say? Does it say you're carrying eggs?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, freak.
I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it.
These acros, bro. Acro can't even jump that high.
Yeah. Yes, seriously, I do not like. You there?